So now that sum should be 648,936. And that will less our expenditures. Well, yeah, our disbursements. We'll be at 155,936.
Okay.
We won't need to borrow at all.
Nothing, don't have any repayments, don't have any interest.
No.
Okay. So, feel good about that, everything?
Mm-hmm.
So the year, for most people, is like conceptually the hardest for some reason?
Because it's some of them are some of them are not.
Yeah,
like,
so let's look and see. So what is our cash balance at the beginning of the year?
what we had the first beginning of the quarter.
Beginning of the quarter, first quarter, it's January. It's also the beginning of the year, so it's the same amount.
Assuming that we'll have the same amount. I mean, well, it actually explicitly says that, right? Yeah.
Okay. What about our receipts for the year?
The year? I feel like it's a sum.
That one is going to be summed, right? Because these are all the receipts for the entire year. So we're going to sum whatever those are. I don't know.
Looks like it'll be about $1 million, almost $2 million. Millions. Whoa. It's just referencing to a cell. That's not nice. Oh, probably because let's see, age 20. Oh, it's referring to older cells. It's just right. 1,959,000.
So 1,959,000. Okay. And what about total available cash? Is this one going to be a sum of the rows?
I almost feel like it will because, no, it's the same, isn't it? Because you're already adding the beginning receipts to get the total.
Yeah, because if we added all these together, we're going to get a number that is way too big.
Correct.
Than what we should, because it's taking into account all the receipts during the year.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, all the beginning balances at each quarter. But we only have the beginning here. So we're just going to go straight down the line like we did. So what is that? 68,100 plus this 159, or 1,959,000?
Should be 2,027,000.
2,027,000.
100.
Oh, I guess I should have done that.
It's okay.
All right. Okay, nothing about disbursements.
So I'm actually going to see what the difference is. I mean,
Okay.
in the 4 quarters, it's about $3 million. And so the reason behind that is because it's for the fiscal year. I'm trying to understand why again.
Okay, so we add these two, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is what we've done all the way through. We've added.
Right.
Okay. The beginning of the year, we have $68,100. But it's different at the beginning of each quarter, right?
Correct.
So these numbers here include the beginning of each quarter plus the receipts.
Gotcha. Okay.
But we're at the beginning of the year.
This year. Or like assuming for next quarter, how would it pan kind of out? Yeah, I see it.
And so it won't work because this number, if we just sum all these, would take into account the beginning balances for each quarter.
Gotcha. Okay.
But we're worried about just the beginning of the year.
That makes sense.
What about disbursements then?
I feel like you'd add them all together too. Just like the receipts, you have to add them all up. And
Yeah, we need to know what it is for the
see how
whole
that's
year.
going. Oops. Well, I guess they should be at the bottom, right? Well, what, it's 1,866,000.
1,866. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then what? Should we sum the excess or the deficiency, or should we add it?
We should subtract them.
Yeah, we should subtract it down, right? Because it's going to take into account everything up in between that isn't taken into account once we started here.
Correct.
So what is that one?
That should be, oh, okay, good. I did it right that time. We got 161,100.
100? Okay. Borrowings for the year, we just,
Clearly 129, 100.
yeah, that one, we just sum across 129, 100. Repayments for the year,
Negative 129, 100.
sum them again, negative 129, 100. Interest for the year,
Again, the sum is necessary.
okay, and what do we end up with here?
Should have a 263,000. I know it seems a lot, it's weird.
It can't be bigger than this. I think, right? I'm not sure.
That's because this is a negative.
Oh, okay.
It's a negative sum again.
And also make
It
the,
should be a 5164, negative 5164.
yeah, so make that one negative as well.
Also, yeah. That's fine. What?
I was like, wait a second here.
That's not
Okay,
possible.
what did we end with?
Where did, as the ending,
Uh-huh.
it should be the same.
It should be the same, is that what it calculated
Yes.
out to be? Okay, good. Just wanted to make
That's
sure.
why I have a giant red arrow right there.
Yeah. So these will end up being equal, but if we're ever concerned that we made a mistake, we
It's a good check
calculate it
figure.
through and see and make sure that these are equal in the end. Because the end of the year is the same as the end of the fourth quarter, right? When does the fourth quarter end?
The year.
December 31st. When does the year end? December 31st.
Assuming
Assuming we're calendar year.
December 31st,
Okay.
yes.
Conceptually, calendar year is normally easier.